Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. Well, this is my first subscription to Tribe Beauty Box and I finally got it, and I'm so excited that I got this box. I'm so surprised too that we got it really early. This is a new subscription that is every 2 months, so this is not a monthly subscription. So when I first heard about it, I subscribed. I got the email, I even got charged, but then they said that they were full, so they returned the money. They refunded the money, and I had to wait for another 2 months. Box, well, if you don't know too much about it, I'm going to be sharing quickly the prices, how much it is, and you do have to pay for shipping. Depending on your area, the shipping could be a little bit higher. And like I said, it's not a monthly subscription. You only get this subscription every 2 months, and the items are full size items and name brand items. So let's just get started so I could open my first unboxing of Tribe Beauty Box. Well, as you can see, it's a very cute box, and I'm going to be sharing more how much it's going to be. If you want to find out more, I'm going to provide that in the description box. So you could just go ahead, click the link and look through, and then you decide if this is a subscription you want to subscribe to. But keep in mind that, like I said, the wait list is very limited, and if you don't subscribe soon, they usually sold out and you have to wait for the following 2 months. So as soon as I open it, this is how it looks like inside, and it has a sheet. It's not like how we get it from BoxyCharm or Ipsy. 5 items, and the first one is a NARS Lip Glide, or it could be Estee Lauder Pure Color Ambient Lip Color. The NARS is retail for $26, the Estee Lauder is $28. So each box might get one or the other. I got Estee Lauder, and this one is retail for $28, and it's Pure Color Ambient Lip Color. Oh my god, if I knew I was getting a lip color, I forgot about it. I would have applied this one. It's so pretty. Look at the packaging. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that color. It smells okay. I like the applicator, and it shows you how much it brings in there. It's really pretty. I'm going to put this on my purse, and like I said, this one retails for $28, and look at that color. The next item is $6 each. The Makeup Geek, it says Makeup Geek signature eyeshadows, and instead of giving us 1, they send us 3. So this is the peach one. This one is called Peach Smoothie. Oh, look at that color. It's really pretty. I would love that as my starting color, and it feels so soft, and it looks like it's very pigmented. So that one is Peach Smoothie. I love the name. So they're $6 each. The next one is Shimmer Shimmer, and it tells you the color on the back as well. So I love that we got 3. So I'm going to swatch Shimmer Shimmer. Oh, look at that. So that's another shade. So in total, we got $18 worth of Makeup Geek colors. And I'm going to swatch this one as well. Oh my god, look at that. I'm telling you, they're really pigmented. I love all 3 colors together. It's almost like what I'm wearing. Isn't it funny? Next item, which I'm excited about, is this Crown Trio brush set. That's $29.99. And I really love when we get brushes. To be honest with you, we're getting 3-piece brush. Sometimes the brush will tell you what is it for, like let's say foundation or blush, but there's no rules on brushes, I'll say. So I'll just use them as they best fit for me. So see, it doesn't tell you what is it for, but it will be good for the eyes and eye makeup look, so that's pretty good there. But I love these type of brushes that are really dense. I love to pick up for the blush, or for to put a little bit of the highlight. This one feels really soft, really pretty. This one's gonna be perfect for contour too. So, you know, they're really cute. They're really, I love them. They have this nice handle. So We got 3 of those, and the retail for those are $30 for those 3. The next thing we got is Basanti Cosmetics makeup magnet wipes. It says these are makeup cleaning wipes, are gentle, effective, and super comfortable. Like a magnet, tiny missile molecules attract dirt, oil, and pollutants from your face. It doesn't have really much of a scent. It says it's perfect for travel and it's good for all skin types. So we got 30 of these, and the price for this is $12. The last thing I got is So Susan Hot Light highlighting pencil. This is a highlighting pencil. I remember last year when I first did my unboxing for BB5. I don't even think they're around anymore, or they're mixed with somebody else. But when I did the unboxing for BB5, I did get items from So Susan, and when I started researching more about it, they're very natural or good type of products to use for your skin. So I really liked the brand. So I'm happy to see an item from So Susan. She also has her own subscription box. So that's the highlight. I wonder if you could blend it. Around this area, so it's something interesting to try. But I really love the packaging, and it says that this retails for $20. So as you can see, I got 5 items, and I'm gonna put the price, the whole total of what was the value of this box. What is my overall impression of my first time trying out this subscription? I really love that we're getting name brand full-size item. The bad thing is that you do have to pay for shipping, so that you have to see if it outweighs the amount of total for the retail value of the box. And these are items that I'm going to be using as well. I know the brushes is something that I could use. This lipstick, I mean, just the price alone for this is pretty good, and I know this is something that I'll be using. Like the brushes, I really like the single eyeshadow palettes from Makeup Geek, and we got 3, so I'm really happy about that. The wipes is something that I will have to see if it's going to be good for me, because some wipes don't work for me as good at all. So that's something that I will have to try it out and see if it's worth it. But I really like the brand, and I think that was a good item for us to get there. And what else am I missing? The So Susan, that's something I'm going to have to try, because it feels dense at first, but I'll see if it blends nicely and if it doesn't kick up on my skin, because it does feel like it's kind of heavy. So that's something that I don't know if I'm gonna enjoy, try it, or even use, but it's good to get it for us to try it out. So this is my unboxing from Try Beauty Box. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and this was my first subscription, so I'm gonna see if I'm gonna keep it or if I'm going to cancel it. So let's see. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, I'm going to be sharing the video of this eye makeup look. If you really wanted to see it, I'm going to share that. So just to subscribe also for you to know once I'm able to upload that tutorial. Also, there's a giveaway that I'm gonna start preparing, so be on the lookout for that. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss on that giveaway, because I'm gonna be sharing more about it, and it's some really good items that I'm gonna be giving away for my next following giveaway. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you really liked this video. You can give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So until the next video, bye.